a student from University Putra Malaysia and also a student of Dr. Marina Binti Mohd alias Mohd. Today, I would like to share about plant nutrition and soil. Plant nutrients is the study of how plants gains and use mineral nutrients from the soil, while nutrients is the elements such as nitrogen and calcium and are obtained primarily as inorganic ions. Mineral nutrients continually cycle through all organisms and enter the biosphere through the root systems of plants. For these reasons, many plant scientists refer to plants as the miners of the earth crust. Photosynthetic tissues carry out photosynthesis, a process which uses carbon dioxide and give off oxygen, while the root of a plant carry out cellular respiration, which use oxygen and give off carbon dioxide. Now we will have a look at essential inorganic nutrients. Approximately 95% of plants' dry weight is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Why? Because these elements is found in most organic compounds such as carbohydrates. Carbon dioxide supplies carbon for a plant, while water is the source of hydrogen and oxygen. In addition to carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, plants also require certain other nutrients which the roots absorbs as minerals. A mineral is an inorganic substance which usually containing two or more elements. The question now is, why do plants need minerals from the soil? This is because nitrogen is a major component of nucleic acids and proteins, magnesium is a component of chlorophyll, and iron is the building block of cytochrome molecules, which all of these is important for the plant growth. To be classified as essential nutrients, the following criteria must be followed. First, it must have an identifiable nutritional role. Next, no other elements can substitute and fulfill the same role. And lastly, the deficiency of the element causes the plants to die. These elements is divided into macronutrients and micronutrients according to their relative concentrations in plant tissue. Beneficial nutrients are another category of elements taken up by plants. Beneficial nutrients are elements either required for growth or enhance the growth of a particular plant. For example, horsetails require silicon as a mineral nutrient, sugar beets show better growth in the presence of sodium, and soybeans use nickel when the root nodules are present. We will continue with the determination of essential nutrients. Soil is a complex medium which make it difficult to figure out what missing nutrient may be affecting a plant's growth. Hydroponic is the preferred method for determining the plant mineral requirements. So what is hydroponic? Hydroponic is the cultivation of plants in water. Nutrient requirements are determined by omitting a mineral and observing the effects. If the plant growth suffers, it can be concluded that the omitted mineral is a required nutrient. This works for macronutrients, but impurities make micronutrient measurement difficult.